When we have a number of our nodes deployed within a facility, because they are synchronized, it is very useful to be able to look at events and where those events get recorded. So let's say you have 10 nodes and all 10 nodes capture a particular voltage transient event. It is most likely that that event is originating from upstream the utility. However, if only one node captures the event, then you know that that particular transient is originating somewhere in that branch distribution system before that measurement point. So you're able to quickly identify those intermittent problems quite quickly.
Improve your peace of mind. Contact Volta Insight today.